welcome to the OklaRoots YouTube channel. In today's Watch and Learn, we are going to continue on with the ID window that we built when we were trying out that fuse tool. Today we're going to do a fun, easy fabric Anna. And this little cutie patootie is one of my favorite things to make. This is an OklaRoots pattern. I will have it linked down below. There are two versions. There's a vinyl version and a fabric version. Today we're going to do the fabric version, meaning it is a cute little Anna wallet using quilt cotton. So you can see I'm using that adorable little ID pocket that we made in a previous video. We were trying out a fun fuse tool. I added that right onto the back, and then the rest is easy peasy. This is a great little envelope for gift cards as we go into holiday season. If you're giving someone a gift card, this is a really adorable way to gift it. I love this for when I'm traveling and I just want like my driver's license right here and then my credit card right here, or if I'm going to a concert or something. Honestly, I don't need a bunch of stuff. Going to a sports event, I just need my ID and a credit card, and this serves a great purpose. And you can easily put a little keychain on it. You can tuck it into your purse. You can strap it onto your belt loop. It's really, really easy. Really cute and really functional. It's something that if you gift this to someone, they're gonna use it more than they probably thought they would. So as with all the watch and learns, I will not be vocally walking you through this today. We're just gonna kind of visually go through it. I have a full tutorial going over how to make the fabric Anna. I will have that link down below. Like I said, this is one of our patterns. We have template sets available for the fabric Anna. We also have template sets available for the vinyl version. So if you don't want to use quilt cotton, you want to leave nice raw edges everywhere, and then maybe edge coated or something, we have a whole other version for that. If you're new to the OklaRoots YouTube channel, please consider clicking subscribe down below. If you like this video, please give it a like. Any questions, comments, shout outs, leave them down in the comment section. We've already gone over this before, so I don't really think I need to make another video discussing how to make this. However, if you have an adaptation of this, or if you make it bigger, I've had some people widen it, or if you would like me to figure out a way to make it just a bit bigger for different purposes, leave a comment down below. We can definitely work on modifying the pattern. All right, guys, let's get started.